there, how are you? I hope you're having an amazing day. In this video, I want to give you a quick introduction into email marketing. We will be discussing the basic tools you need to launch your first ever email campaign. And we will also discuss what do you find important when you open your inbox. If you are a first-time business owner who has no idea how to launch their first email campaign and you need some help with that, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, here is Anastasia. Welcome to my channel where I talk about marketing for business success and I help first-time business owners level up their marketing. If you're new here and you want to learn more marketing tips and tricks from me in the future, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't have to miss any of my videos ever again. And without further ado, let's get started. What is email marketing? Email marketing is one of the main marketing strategies that businesses of all sizes use to reach out to their target audience and to their customers, give them value, promote their products, and generate more sales. First things first, let's discuss the major benefits that email marketing can bring to your business. Email marketing is considered one of the cheapest and cost-effective marketing strategies with a very high return on investment. It is an outbound marketing type, which means you decide when you want to reach out to your audience and when do you want them to get your message, compared to social channels and website, which is an inbound type of marketing, which means the audience decides when they want to check out your social media channel or visit your website. You can create emails of different styles and lengths depending on your goal and message. You get the opportunity to personalize your message or personalize offers depending on the customer group you want to talk to. Whereas if we talk about website or social, which are public channels, you can only publish as much content and everybody can see it. You can create email marketing campaigns for each and every scenario and automate them so they can go out to your customers as soon as they subscribe to your newsletter or purchase from you. And one of the biggest benefits is that you will create an email list of potential customers and also existing customers that you have full control over. If you think about social channels that you have, and you may have a really high following on those channels, but remember that social channels change and there is always a new trend that is coming along, and you might use your following to a new social platform. An email list will help you keep all those valuable contacts in one place. So whenever you want to reach out to any of them, you will have their contact details. Now let's review the 4 items you definitely need to get started with email marketing. So the first item is be GDPR compliant. The second item on our list is lead magnet, also called a freebie. This is usually a piece of content that you give away for free, but in exchange of an email address. The third item is pretty obvious. You need an email list. So you need a list of contacts before you can start launching your emails. And the fourth item on our list is an email marketing software such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, or Eloqua. A software like this will make your life so much easier because you will be able to create emails, manage your email list, and also automate your campaigns. So you might be wondering, what is email automation? Email automation is a really cool feature of these email marketing softwares. For example, if somebody buys an item from you, they can automatically receive a thank you email without you actually needing to be there and launching those emails one by one by yourself. Now let's talk about your relationship to emails and email marketing campaigns. I think when you're starting out as a first-time business owner, the whole world of marketing may be new to you. So I think there is no better way to learn and understand marketing than to analyze it from the consumer perspective. I have prepared a couple of questions for you that I want you to answer as a consumer, and we will be analyzing your engagement and also your behavior when it comes to emails in your personal inbox. So don't think about your work emails, such as emails in Outlook, because obviously you need to open them, read them, and answer to your colleagues. But think about the emails that you get to your Gmail, to your Yahoo, any service provider you use. So if you're ready, then grab a pen and paper and let's get started. How often do you check your emails? Is there a specific time of day, in the mornings, during lunch, or after work in the evening? What type of emails do you like receiving and reading? Sales emails, educational emails, promotional emails, or news and highlights? Are there any particular brands that you're looking forward to receiving their email, and why? Do you have a preferred type of email layout, a short email or a longer form email? Is there any layout that you prefer? For example, you like to look at images of different products, or you like simple text-based emails with a couple of links in the email. One of my favorite questions is that, are you an A to Z reader, so you read the whole email, or are you just looking through the headlines and look for the information that might be interesting to you? How much time do you need to assess if the content of that email is relevant to you? How much time do you spend reading one email, and usually how many emails do you check in total before moving on to another activity in your day? What makes you click on that call to action button in an email? Which device do you use to read your emails usually? Is it from your phone or from your desktop? Do you use your personal email to connect with friends and family, or do you use it purely for receiving promotional emails? Think about all these questions and how you interact with your personal inbox. With this exercise, you have not only acknowledged what type of email user you are, but also understand that on the other side of the device is another person like you who is your customer with their own preferences when it comes to email layout, frequency of receiving email. These are the little details you also might want to consider when creating your emails. Now let's summarize what you have to focus on when you are creating your first ever email marketing campaign. As always, I have created a checklist for you. You can also access and download that checklist through the link in the description below. So let's discuss what are the main components that you want to pay attention to when developing your email marketing campaign. What is the purpose of your email marketing campaign? Do you want to nurture your leads into customers? Do you want to send them weekly or monthly newsletters with updates? Or you want to promote your products and services? What does success mean to you? And how will you know if your email marketing campaign got the desired results? I would advise you to look into the analytics report that you can get for your email campaigns and the specific emails from your email marketing software. If you track the right metrics, you will clearly understand if your campaign performing well or not. Who do you want to send your emails to? Are these leads that have downloaded your freebie from the website? Are these existing customers? Or is it a list of customers who don't buy from you anymore and you want to reactivate them? What do you want to talk about in your email? What will be the topic and how do you want to lay out that information? What is the action you want your email recipient to take when they open your email? How many emails do you want your email campaign to consist of? Are you going to use any specific design assets that have to be created in advance? And finally, how often do you want to send out those emails? Once or twice a week, maybe once in 2 weeks, or once a month. This is it for now. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you want to learn about how to grow your email list, how to create your email marketing campaign step by step, and how to analyze the performance of your email marketing campaign, make sure to subscribe. And also, as you know, I publish weekly videos, so make sure to not miss any of them. And if you think that any of your fellow entrepreneurs might like and find this content also useful, feel free to share this video with them. So thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate your attention, and I hope to see you in my next video.